Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your hotel collection diffuser remote suddenly stops responding, it can make controlling the device frustrating since you're no longer able to adjust settings or turn it on and off easily. You might press buttons and see no reaction, even though the diffuser itself is working fine. In most cases, this isn't a major issue. It usually comes down to signal problems, battery issues, or pairing interruptions between the remote and the unit. Since these remotes rely on proper communication with the diffuser, even a small interference or weak battery can stop them from functioning. The good thing is that you can fix this quickly without replacing anything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix your hotel collection diffuser remote step by step. Try these. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries with a fresh set. Step 2. Restart the diffuser to reset the connection. Step 3. Ensure there are no obstacles blocking the signal path. Step 4. Move closer to the diffuser while using the remote. Step 5. Clean the remote buttons to remove dirt or residue. Step 6. Test all functions and confirm the remote responds properly.